Hey guys, so today's video is about back pain. It's super complicated, super complex issue in the big picture, but there are some really small common causes that often I can see someone who's having back pain, I can see the reason that they're going to have that pain. One of the main things to consider is that our spine is really strong when it's moved with control and it's supported by the core. But if you're standing here and you dip into this position, you're going to overload through the back, same as if you're lifting something up in this position here. So our back is designed to move through those ranges, but it's not always best to load it in those ranges. A couple of common exercises that we'll see people get some back pain with is burpees. So one of the main reasons here is as she's gone down into this position, she's come through, she's going to really load her back heavily. So what we like to teach is to keep your core on. One way to think of keeping your core on is ribs down. That's going to keep your abs engaged and protecting your lower back. That's it. So come up for me, keep the abs on. When she goes down, she's going to do one more for me. And she's going to keep that going. Good one, yeah. There we go. Into that position. Springs back up. You'll eliminate most of your back pain if you're getting it from burpees there. Another example is Russian twists. So from this seated position, in this position here, if she sits nice and upright for me, and then she keeps her abs on. So when you come upright, you still want to drop your ribs down. This is a great exercise, going to stress and brace through the core. If she just allows herself to sink into it, now you've got some lumbar spinal flexion, and you're going to load through your lower back in not a really great position. You're using your body to get yourself in an unfavorable position for your back. That's much better there. Cool. And last one is, last one, we got a lot of core exercises down on the ground. So whether you got leg lifts, flutter kicks, leg extensions, all sorts of movements. When you're down on the ground in this position, if your back is up off the ground so you can see all the way through here, then your core is switched off. The way to switch your core on and protect your back is again to pull your ribs down into that position. From here, whatever exercise I do, so in this position here, as I bring my legs down, my core's on here, and if I release my core and go into that position, I'm going to put some extra pressure on my back. What you'll often see people do to try and cater for that is to chuck their hands under their bum, like that, but they haven't actually really engaged their core that much more. They're just trying to hide the problem. So tuck your hips under, start at whatever height you need to, whether it's flutter kicks like this, whether it's leg extensions, or whether you're doing leg drops. From there, pulling through all of those exercises, you want to avoid that excessive arch through your lower back.